Welcome to Anil Education TV. So today we discuss about the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. First one is declarative sentences. In this we will discuss about what we have in declaration sentences means it makes a statements and gives some information, express an opinion and make a promise. So here it makes a sentence and give information about what the statement, what the sentence is, and in some it express an opinion, what is the main opinion of the sentences, and it makes a promise. So what, there is no more cookies left. So here what it says about, it gives about information. What information it is giving? There are no more cookies left. So here no more cookies is nothing but it is giving some information. So Raj is not going to be late. So here what? So here making an promise that he is not going to be late. So next is imperative sentences. Here in imperative sentences it gives a command or an order, makes a request or gives advice, directions or instructions. So these all are here an command or order or make a request, gives advice, directions or instructions comes under imperative sentences. Example, make an appointment with the doctor. Here make an appointment with the doctor is nothing but it is giving advice. So it took a great deal of hard work to dig this well. So here her what instructions are given. It took a great deal of hard work to dig this well. Now third type is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences is nothing but it asks a question. So example, where is your school? What are you doing? Is this what you are looking for? All comes under question. Questions where whatever the questions are that comes under interrogative sentences. Now next fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So it expresses emotions such as surprise, joy, pain, anger or pity. So sudden expressions all comes under exclamatory sentences. Example, what a lovely sight. So look at, a bike is coming. So these all are what sudden expressions that comes under exclamatory sentences. Transformation of sentences. So in transfer of sentences, in declarative sentences, we can change the sentences into positive and negative sentences in only declaration sentences. So we can change sentences from positive to negative and vice versa. Means here we can change in only declarative sentences, we can change in positive way and negative sentences. So we can change the sentences into imperative sentences, we can change into interrogative sentences and we can change into exclamatory sentences. How we can change? Let us see these examples to understand this type of sentences by we using these examples. So here declaration sentences. What is the declaration sentences? He is tall. It is in a positive sentences. So we can convert it into negative sentences as he is not tall. So we can't change into any imperative sentences. So we can change into interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences is nothing but we using the question mark. So is he tall? So it indicates a question mark. So it is nothing but it is called as an interrogative sentences. So exclamatory marks, so sudden expressions we called as exclamatory marks. How tall he is? So how much tall he is? It is nothing but it is a sudden expression. So it is called as exclamatory sentences. So next, Here we can't change the sentences. Please open the door. We can't change into positive sentences or negative sentences, but in imperative sentences it gives an command. So please open the door. So it comes under imperative sentences. So in interrogative sentences it is in a questioning way. Can you open the door please? So here asking the question, can you open the door please, it comes under asking the question, it comes under interrogative sentences. We can't change into exclamatory sentences. So next example, the dance. So the dance is in a positive sentences. So we can change into negative sentences, they do not dance. So this is a negative sentences, it comes under declarative sentences. So next it comes to imperative sentence, they must stand, they must dance. So they must dance is nothing but it is a commanding position. So it is used as an imperative sentences. Now interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences is nothing but asking the question. Do they dance? Asking the question. Okay. Do they dance? So the asking the question comes under interrogative sentences. Explanatory. How well they dance? How well they dance. The dance is nothing but sudden expressions. It comes under explanative marks. This is about the types of the tenses and transformation of sentences into declarative form, imperative form, interrogative form and explanatory sentences.